Hi everyone, how are you doing guys? Shalom to all, servant of God. It's me, the servant of God, journalist VICKYMBUYI. Tonight, I'm on the show, the live show. I will ask each and every one of those who are connected just to love this page, to love this video, and to share it. So, journalist VICKYMBUYI, I'm not only journalist, I'm also a woman. I'm not only a gospel singer, but I'm an MC. I'm not only an MC. I got different grace in me and different types what I can use as a woman. Journalist VICKYMBUYI, she also a woman. I'm a woman. I know how to cook. Maybe there's a lot of people always say, hey, the journalists, oh, the people does the things, they don't know how to cook. No, that's a lie. So tonight I will show you guys how to cook African pap. That is my preparations of tonight. How to cook African pap. Let us just watch out. Welcome to the show. How to cook African pap. So there is first I will start it. Let me show you. I got my meal. This is a meal for African pap to cook started. All the human those they don't know how to cook African paps, we're going to prepare. There's your meal. And after meal, I got my pot here. There's my pot, and this those they speak what English, they don't know how they call this. So I will start it to cook my African pap. I start with I took some ingredients, a small ingredients. I just pour it on my pot, and after that, make sure you take tap water. You mix it in with a small water. Don't take a lot of water. Remove it. Yes, sir. Make sure you check it before you add hot water. You check it. If it's ready, you can add some, it's a little bit like more water. Once more water, pour other ingredients in. Boil it. I got already my water, my boiled water in kettle is already. I will take it up now. You see, it's ready. African. I was saying make sure you boil it. It's already up. And after that, I got my hot water prepared. This is a tap water. I just boil it on the kettle. And after that, you make sure you pour your hot water in. Once you are boiling your hot water, make sure there is no bumps inside. No? As a woman, all women, you must know how to cook African pap. Even the whites, at this time, the whites also love pap. So as a woman, make sure to know different type of food. I start boiling it, and I will leave it for a few minutes, and after that I will going back to wait for it, and we will be back soon. Make sure there's no any bubble in it. African pap with journalist VICKYMBUYI. Like my page, African pap. No one should come and lie to you. Journalist VICKYMBUYI, singer VICKYMBUYI, worshiper VICKYMBUYI, she don't know how to cook. That is a lie. I'm a cooker. No matter what, I always do it. So 100% I know also how to cook. Make sure once that you see the pap start boiling. It's boiling. Make sure you take your lid, you cover it. And after covering your pap, we'll be back on 10 minutes. When it's going to be ready, then we're gonna continue our show. Just be there. We are not done yet. See you later for our finishing up, to cook up